Hello, this is Michael Reed from Premier Martial Arts in Marietta, Georgia, and the Academy of Qigong and Internal Studies. I want to start out by saying thank you to all the parents who came out this past weekend and brought their kids to Beginners Children's Workshop, and also congratulate our new students from that workshop who are going to be joining us. I want to say congratulations to Mr. Paul Harris on earning his green sash in Kung Fu. That's been a long, hard journey, but he has stayed in the game. I want to remind all of our white belt parents that we have a white belt buddy bash coming up on Friday, March 1st. And then here, there's no classes this Saturday because the Blue Dragon himself, Dr. George Love, will be here. We've got a cooking class on Friday night. Please join us at atlantaqigong.com if you want to join us with that. And then he's got classes on Saturday and he has classes on Sunday. It's going to be a fantastic event and a fantastic weekend. That's all we got. Those of you guys who are on our winter break, have a lot of fun, and we will see everyone very soon. Aloha, terima kasih, and one love.